Hi, welcome to Unit 4. This is one of my favorite units of the course, and I think conceptually, perhaps the most important unit of the entire class. We're going to put together all of the material that we have learned so far, how consumers behave, how producers behave, together into a model of markets. In particular, we are going to build a model using the model of consumer demand and the model of producer supply that will allow us to provide an answer to the three big questions of economics: what gets produced, how does it get produced, for whom does it get produced in the context of a market. So we're going to be able to predict how different fundamental variables of the economy map to the prices, the allocations, the amount produced, who produces, etc. that we observe. The other very important thing that we're going to do is to extend the tools of consumer surplus and producer surplus to put them together into a notion of social surplus, that you can think of how well off is the economy or all of the consumers as a whole in a particular situation generated by the market. And that's going to allow us to measure how well off they are and also to study what are the well-being implications of fundamental changes in the parameters of the economy. For example, if there's a technological shock or the number of consumers doubles. Let me also make a comment about where we are in the learning course of the course. In this unit, we're going to put together everything that we have learned in units 1, 2, and 3, especially our model of consumer behavior and our model of producer behavior. In order to be able to solve the market models, you're going to have to apply what you have learned in the previous units. This is really good news for you because you're going to get a lot of practice in applying those models. And if my experience teaching this course tells me, well, by the end of this unit, you're going to feel very, very comfortable playing with all of these models. So now, without further preamble, let's put everything together and study how competitive markets work.